G'day viewers, Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've just started on testing the signals of this 50s HMV F5A6 black and white telly. Anyway, I'm actually concerned here because the voltages given here are in the hundreds, and I'm getting like voltages that are way higher than what's being given here. For instance, this vertical output here, I've got my homemade high voltage pro connected, and I've tested it out, and it does work. Well, anyway, so on the scope here I'm getting up to about 7 volts peak to peak, which is times that by 1,000. We're getting 7 kilovolt, up to 7 kilovolts peak to peak on the vertical output. The peaks, according to the schematic diagram, I should only be getting a maximum of 800 volts peak to peak, or 800 volts peak. Also, I tested out the phase discriminator. We're supposed to be getting like 65 volts peak to peak, but I was getting 800 volts peak to peak. So I'm actually confused. Well, anyway, to all you techies out there, if you can explain to me why I'm getting such higher voltages than that on the schematic, please comment below. Well, anyway, yeah, I just really don't know why I'm getting such excessive voltages when I should be getting voltages in the tens to hundreds, but instead I'm getting voltages in the hundreds to thousands. Alrighty, stay tuned for my next update on this TV project. Hopefully I'll have some answers and some solutions by then. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.